Okay, this is how my Snake Mountain looks before I do anything. And this is how I have it currently displayed. As you can see, I basically have a ladder in place of a bridge. And him standing right there because nothing there and nothing right there. That's how the snake looks. Plus it's all dusty and dirty. So that's how that looks. So now I'm going to show you another way to clean play sets. If you want to know the other way, watch the Grayskull one, and that one will show you how the other way. Now, first things first, get all the figures and all these things out of the way. Hold this closer. So you can. This is here. This is currently how the inside looks. And this is gonna change. Got this as a little net trap. This came from a dog toy ball. So yeah, you can do that. And it does work that well for figures. See, per manner has been netted. So yeah. So if you happen to see a dog ball with one of these, get one. Or I suppose any color board, anything like this would do it. I think they have oranges packaged with stuff like this. That's a little extra feature I decided to put in with Snake Mountain. Now, the other method here is, the method I'm going to use here is this. See how dusty this is. And you can see, get all the dust off real easy. And when it comes to the decals, I do have new decals already. And I don't know if you can see, but there are cobwebs already built up in here. Probably help if I bring closer. And then, yeah. Okay. So now that you get the general idea, I'm gonna skip to the next step. Alright. So this is how it's looking now after I cleaned it up. Yeah, I got the window open so an idiot rode by with the revving his engine. Okay, now this is how the inside looks. Now, first thing I'm going to do next is add a little color into this mouth of the snake. Not a lot, just enough. Also, you'll notice that the decals are gone. See, that right here, they just peeled right off in one spot. That's how they were barely on there. But like I said, I do have new stickers. And you can see here, these are very bright and colorful. And I'll do a little comparison here. See how bad these old ones are. Faded. Now, one thing about this is that these eyes, I think they messed up with the color on them because they're not as dark. See, they're not as dark. See that in here they're kind of pinkish, but these are, but they're actually supposed to be kind of orange, orangish red. And since these are on there pretty good, nothing really wrong with them except that one spot in there, I'm not going to replace those. Yeah, because that's the one thing that got wrong on these. And this is where I got them from. So, on eBay. Also, what I'm going to be doing, much like I did with Grayskull, I'm going to be taking these Toy Hacks floor piece only this is for Snake Mountain, and I'm gonna be putting them in here, just like I did with Snake Mountain. Oh, I mean, just like I did with Grayskull. Bah. So that's gonna make the inside look even nicer. Plus, the new stickers will go right on top of that. So that's an idea. So you guys see how that works. And these are from, I got 2 of these. They are from Toy Hacks, just in case I didn't mention that. Alright. So actually, I guess what I can do right now, let me see if I can get this decal come off. Hopefully I can get most of it off. And the microphone has its own separate video. So that's part 1. That's part 1 of this restoration. In case you missed that. Okay, I got that. This is much I got off, so hopefully I'll try and get some more later. Hopefully I can get more off. Alright, so now let's paint the snake head. Okay, what I'm gonna do is paint this mouth area in here. This stoplight red metallic. Make sure the brush is good. Okay, now you got some paint on the brush. Get a good grip on this and then start putting it in here on the tongue. Very carefully you want to do this. You don't want to go too far over and mess up on the edges. You just want to get the tongue molding part. You gotta get more paint on the brush. You always gotta change position when you with this because of the way it is. You can see the curves where you need to stop your painting for the edges. You want to get it very close to the edge as possible. Make sure you cover the entire tongue. And you want to have some smooth edging. That's why you gotta get a little bit on the top area because that's part of the molding there. Looks good. Gotta get this top corner in here. So you got one side and up in the corner on that side. Gotta get some paint on the brush. And I'm also thinking about what else I can do. So I'm thinking about doing the eyes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this little line in here with red. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Nice and evil looking now. Yeah, perfect looking now. It's gonna make Snake Mountain look even better. Add some edging in here. Trying to get the best view for the camera. And yeah, I got the window open and so hearing a lawnmower. That's what that is. Okay, this is it for part 2. Next is gonna be the installation of the stickers.